Hi there, I'm Jule and I'm working for Sachsenkabel as a product manager, and today I want to show you the ODF. ODF is 120 centimeters wide and 60 centimeters deep, so it has very different options for distribution technology in 46 units. And besides the 19-inch rack, you have a patch cord management which can distribute the patch cords perfectly because you have only one patch cord length. And for example, on this one we have 4 meters for every length. So it's not depending on where the unit is you were connecting, either neighboring units or from bottom to top. It's always 4 meters and you can route it very well in the distribution. And on the other side you have the bigger patch cords or cables, like trunk cables, and in between there are the 19-inch rack. Okay, in our ODF we have different kind of distribution technology. It's normal splice modules, splice boxes, but also convertible ones, which are mainly used in the telecommunication market. And also we have something like C2E, which is a high-density solution from our sister company, Amphenol network solution. And if you would build the whole ODF only with C2E, you could put up to 6,600 fibers into it. And that's with LC. So you have very, very different options from which you can choose.